My dear children, you see, these are fruits. You see, apple, mango, then grapes, then cucumber. Children, you see, apple, mango, grapes and cucumber. You see mango. Before mango, what you see? Apple. Apple or not? And after apple, what we see? Mango. And after mango, what we see? Grapes. After grapes, what we see? Cucumber. Dear children, before cucumber, what we see? We see grapes, we see mango, we see apple. Dear children, before cucumber, just before cucumber, what we see? Only this one, grapes. Like this, you see, it is mango. Mango is between apple and grapes. You see, number 1, when you convert number 1, 2, 3 and 4. 2 is between 1 and 3. Yes or not? Now, let us start with number. My dear children, you see, it is a caterpillar. You see, it is the head of the caterpillar and tail. You see, 34, 30, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, and you see, after 38, what is the number? The number is 39. You see, it is the number. So after 38, 39 is the number, and you see, it is in, when you count in forward, you see 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38 and 39. So in forward, we count in forward. When backward, 39, 38, 37, 36, 35, 34, 33. So before 33, you see, what is the number? Before 33, you see, in backward, number is decrease, that is 32. Yes or not? So 32. So, dear children, this activity you know, forward and backward. And you see the sequence, another is there. You see, when 30, 32, 33, 34, and you see this number between 34 and 36. Which number? This number is 35. You see, this number is the between number, between two numbers, 34 and 36. Dear children, another example. You see a snake, head and it is the body of a snake. 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13. My dear children, between 9 and 11, what is the number? What is the between number? Between number is 10. My dear children, now you read 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. My dear children, so 10 is between the two numbers 9 and 11. Now you say, what is the number after 13? What is the number? You see 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. What is the number? The number is 14. So 14 is the number after 13. And another example, my dear children, you see it is the body of a snake. You see the number is backward counting. Say with me, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. Then what is the number before 15? The number is 14. Children, you see, when you count the number before counting, you count the backward counting. That is 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15 and 14, like this. When you say the after number, that is the after 18, what is the number? The number is 19. We count in forward counting. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, like this. Yes or not? And you see, what is the number between 16 and 18? The number is 17. 17 is the number between 16 and 18. Children, you see, it is your day. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days. You see, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. So now you tell which day before will come before Saturday. It is Friday. After Saturday, what day will come? The day is your Sunday. Again you tell before Monday, what day will come? The name of the day is Sunday. Sunday. Children, you see a calendar. You see in calendar, day and dates are there. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like this, 31. So that is forward counting. This is forward counting. Forward counting. Forward counting. And backward 31, 30, 29, 28, like this. And last is your 1. So when you after 2, what is the number? That is increases. 2, then 3. Before 2, what is the number? 1. You see, decreases. the number decreases. Yes or not? Thank you.